Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my sister and brother are very well. I can do a new video about crypto. So thanks to you for subscribe my channel. I hope I want to talking about my channel crypto and travel news. I also upload any crypto news in my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then you firstly news about crypto and crypto earning site. So what do you now? Please subscribe my channel and click on bell all button. Next you will receive all notification firstly. So I on to my main topic. So I have a new mining site. Here is this video for review. So I have a few days new mining site. So here is four item in this mining site, also Bitcoin Cash, and also Dash, and also Tron. So I also fully mining Bitcoin Cash. If you want to other mining system, cryptocurrency, then please deposit here. Here is some cryptocurrency here, like as Litecoin, Stellar, Dogecoin, and Zcash. So if you Ether Cash, you must be deposit here. So Ethereum and Ripple. So here is because why you cannot mining script and cash. Here if you not hash rate, then you cannot mining in this site. So what do you now? Please press the button deposit option. Here is the deposit. If you want to use perfect money, also Litecoin, also Dogecoin, Zcash, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and also Dash, Tron, Stellar, Ethereum, Ripple, and Tether TRC20. Remember it. It's also Tether TRC20, not ERC20. So you can press if you choose any option. So if you Tron, if you Bitcoin, if you Litecoin, if you perfect money, if you Dogecoin, or so you Tether TRC20. So I also show simple for Tether. If I also click Tether, then you also copy this address, and you go to your wallet and paste this address, then sending amount your use your deposit, no limited deposit. So if you I also other option cash out. If you available balance, so I also mining Bitcoin Cash. So what condition? So in the wallet address, here is my wallet address. So minimum withdraw payout 0.01 BIs, maybe 10 USDT. If you have 10 USDT, then if you will be withdraw this site. If you other option by gigahash, if you amount purchase amount, and you can if you deposit $10, and if you purchase this amount, okay. So is you depend on your thing. So other option, referral option. If you if any person joining your link, then if you will be commission in this referral system. So I also here is a other option, here history and also security system. So I also show you how to join this site. So I also link in this video description. Go to your tab, then press the link. Then if you when you come to page, then loading, and if you shows this item, okay, fine. What do I do now? If you press this button, or if this button, so I also get 5 bonus in gigahash, then I also click this button, okay. So I also register my name and also email, password 2 times, okay. Hold it. Now press on I am not a robot. Please carefully password 2 times type very carefully. So please check it again and press the register button. Okay. Sorry, also come back. Okay, you can save your password in your browser. So when you log in here, then you come to your dashboard. Here is if you choose any option for mining, okay. So you can mining on Bitcoin, Cash, also Dash and Tron. So I would like to now Tron is mining, okay, safe. So if you double mining, if you use your okay. So I cannot this I want to full mining at Tron, okay. So if you when I will complete my achieve, then I also withdraw it and review this again. So stay here and joining this site with my link. Assalamu alaikum.